You see, the more you listen to your intuition, the clearer your world becomes. Subtle nudges, fleeting thoughts, quiet gut feelings. They are not coincidences. They are your body and mind speaking before the noise of the world can drown them out. You'll notice you instinctively avoid situations that feel off, even before you can explain why. Conversations, places, decisions. They either resonate or repel. The world may doubt your instinct, but your inner knowing never lies. Trust it. Move with it. Let it guide you. Because the moment you stop questioning the whispers within, the universe begins to answer in kind.